Hello, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to put GDevelop onto Dark Theme for Windows. I recently got a Windows computer and it's been great. So I'm just going to show you how to put GDevelop on Dark Theme on Windows. I've done a Mac one already. This was the Windows one. So you want to go to File and then go down to Preferences, and then here you'll see this is the UI theme. Currently it's on the white theme or GDevelop default, and then you can just click on dark and that'll change it to the dark theme. If you also code in GDevelop, you can also change the coding theme to any one of these. There's also some other things here. You can make your own theme. You can also download and install updates, display what's new, display object thumbnails, and auto save project on preview. So yeah, it's nice and quick, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which hopefully won't be in a long time, but if you have any ideas of what you want me to do for the platform as tutorial series, please tell me, just in case I run out of ideas. So yeah, thanks for watching, and leave your ideas in the comment section below. Goodbye.